Uh-oh, it's a little lifting. Oh. How do I make it?
Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Lilly Ghalichi Mir. I am here with not only one of my best friends, Dorothy Wang, she also happens to be the star of E's hit show, Rich Kids of Beverly Hills. And when the show was airing, I used to go all around the world and people would tell me, oh, but they're not actually rich kids. They don't have any money, it's all fake. So Dorothy, in case you don't know, is a billionaire.
I'm like, I was listed. Like Forbes said it.
With a B, not like a millionaire, not like an Instagram millionaire where you're like kind of purporting
Like
to be
a zero
like a billionaire with a B. I don't even know what it's like to have that much money.
Oh my God, stop it.
Like, what was it like growing up with billions of dollars?
I didn't know. I think that's
You
why.
didn't know?
That's why I'm semi-normal. I didn't know.
Dorothy is not
No,
semi.
I am. But I didn't know. Literally, I didn't know until freshman year of college.
I'm still waiting for Forbes to release my list and for my parents to sit me down and let me know that I'm a billionaire.
No, my dad was pissed when it came out.
Why?
He tried to get it taken out from the magazine.
I will say this, it's so true. The people that have real wealth and have acquired real wealth in their life don't want anyone to know.
Yeah.
And it's like the people that are fronting all day on Instagram,
Yeah.
like they probably don't have like what
Yeah.
they're showing.
Yeah.
Anyways, that's a whole nother YouTube video and a whole nother topic. The reason we are here today is Dorothy has released the Dorothy Wang kit. It is a brand new kit for Lilly Lashes where Dorothy designed not one, but two.
I'm the complete package.
Okay, wait, before we
I wanted to sell it.
Before we go back talking about our lashes, can I just say, every time I used to hear that Drake song, that was like, me, myself, and all my millions.
Oh my God.
I would always think about Dorothy.
No, you know what? I used to say that in the show all the time, but then they would never air it. I would try to like insert it. I'm like, oh, I'm just like Drake, just like me, myself, and all my millions. But like,
But
I
we
don't know
can't
why.
say that
They thought it
anymore
was too over
because
the
Dorothy
top.
has a boyfriend and he's awesome and he's amazing.
Yeah.
But for a long time, like
It was
just
just
like
me,
me,
myself.
you know, she couldn't find Mr. Right and it was just her herself and all her millions. Only her millions are actually billions. Back to the Dorothy Wang kit. So she has designed, yes, she actually did it herself. She did
Yeah.
not outsource it. She did not pay someone to do it.
Yeah, no, they were getting annoyed with me. I was like, can we make the end a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, a little bit thicker? There was a lot of back and forth.
She was very involved, guys. She designed one daytime lash, which is a lighter, fluffier, wispier lash, and one nighttime lash, which is a fuller, glamour, more dramatic lash. Which one
is
are you
the
wearing?
one I'm wearing right now. So I'm wearing the nighttime lash right now.
She doesn't know why she's here.
I thought we were here about this.
I asked Dorothy to come so we can film something to show everyone her amazing kit, which launched today. But the real reason Dorothy's here is because I'm gonna channel the simple life. And let's see when a billionaire
Oh my God.
becomes my makeup artist. Have you ever put lashes on anyone?
No, I've only put lashes on myself.
Like once.
It's where people don't really call on me to do things for them.
So what's your rate? Like,
Oh my God.
how much is this gonna cost me for you to do my lashes?
This I feel like is free. This will be on the house. It's on the
Billionaire
house.
does my makeup. Okay, guys.
If there's a discount.
Disclaimer, I'm not even sure she knows like the process and stuff. When she says she puts them on herself, she says to her makeup artist, I'll take these today. I am gonna make Dorothy. I wanna try the Dorothy Nighttime, which I have not tried. This is literally hot off the press.
Literally.
Like, Dorothy's been the only one that's been having them and wearing them because she had her only samples. I don't have the confidence that Dorothy knows all the steps
Okay.
to put lashes on
I
someone
know how to
else.
do it. I'm just concerned because my nails are also really long.
To help Dorothy out, I
thank God.
have brought her everything she needs to apply lashes. Do you even know why you need these?
To trim them.
Oh, she
can
knows
trim
more
them.
than
And
I expected.
No, I have knowledge of things. I just don't have to act them out myself.
The only
bet.
person I know that's gotten their makeup done more than me is Dorothy. So I have this tool for you. Do you know what this is?
That is your lash applicator. Lily, I've been on the site.
Okay.
Glue.
Okay. And
Mascara.
mascara. Wow, she knows a lot. Okay, so let's get started. Billionaire Dorothy Wang is about to be Simple Life, even though I'm the only one in the flannel, and be my makeup artist to apply the Dorothy Wang Nighttime Lash. Let's get started.
Okay, so I'm gonna be your makeup artist today. I'm like, Lily, how are you? Oh my God, your skin is so flawless, Lily. You look beautiful. You're radiating.
Oh my God.
It's like spray, spray, spray. Okay, so like, what do you like on your skin? Isn't that what they always ask?
Yeah.
I'm like, I don't know. You do it all
Make
the
me
time.
look pretty.
You can remove them with your fingers, but I feel like since these, we can use them up to what, 35 times?
Like 30 times.
Numbers aren't my strong suit, even though I'm Asian.
The numbers are her strong suit, though.
Sometimes I do pull them off with my fingers, but I feel like that sometimes damages them.
Okay, no, I'm gonna stop you. You always use your hands.
Oh.
If you use the applicator, you're gonna pull the
Oh.
lashes.
Oh, never mind. So you do use. Oh, so
Yes.
I've been doing it right.
Yes.
So you do use your fingers and you just pull them off gently.
There you go.
One side. And obviously, our lash, the shorter lashes are on the inside and they flare out. The longer lashes are on the outside edge.
So Dorothy's nighttime lash is a winged lash, which is what she was just talking about. So that means you need to keep the right and the left for the right and the left eye.
Yeah.
That way the wing goes out at the end.
When you trim, you should always trim from the outside.
Wow, she knows way more than I know.
Have some faith in me.
Okay, so first, let's measure.
Let's measure your eye. I don't think we need to trim them for
So
you.
I don't have to trim a lot of my lashes. We don't have to trim them.
Perfect. So if you're a Lily length eye, you don't need to trim them. If you're a me length eye, you have to probably trim just a little bit, like 1 or 2 bundles off of the edge.
Okay, so
So.
step 2.
Step 2 is glue.
Yes.
And you apply the glue more so at the top of the band, right? Or no?
You want to apply the glue across the whole band of
Across
the
the whole
lash.
band.
Yeah.
But kind of, don't you want your lash to kind of sit upward? So like you kind of put them at like kind of the glue more at the top, not at the bottom.
I
of the
didn't
band.
know that, but let's try it.
And you don't want to apply your lash when the glue is still too wet because it might droop, or when you open your eye, it might move around.
How do you know that?
I'm like a sponge of information, I think. I just don't utilize it a lot. You know?
Okay, so you can use your fingers to apply. You can use an applicator, whatever you want.
Okay. I feel like I need a steady hand. I can't believe I'm glamming. Like, literally, I call Lily my fairy glam mother. She's the glam mother of so many people in LA, actually all around the world. Oh, this is when I use the applicator tool.
Please don't poke my eye out.
Uh-oh, it's a little lifting. Oh. How do I make it?
I just got a nail in the eye.
I told you, these nails aren't the most
Okay,
functional.
I'm a little scared. So I have a lash
You guys, I'm giving
on
you
my eyelid.
I'm giving you an extra smoky eye. I'm opening your eye even more, giving you an extra smoky, dramatic look. You can thank me for it later, Lily.
Oh, I just dropped our glue. So sorry.
Well, I'm also not like
I have
6 months
boxers
pregnant.
on too. Okay, I have to pick the glue up.
I'll pick it up.
I'll get it. Okay, so I'm gonna give Dorothy just a little tutorial for this eye, and then we're gonna see if she can do the other eye.
I feel like when you put it on yourself, though, you can feel where it is. For me, I'm kind of just like, whoop, like tossing it on and hoping it lands.
For me, the applicator, but I will say this, I loved the lash already.
Okay.
Okay, I use the lash applicator to apply my lashes.
Oh,
And
maybe I should have done that. See, you threw me off the lash applicator.
yeah, because you wanted to use it to pull the lash out of the kit, which would rip all the hairs off. So I hold the lash right in the center, and I just pop the lash on right in the center of my eye. So I'm gonna show you guys. So the center
Wow.
is now stuck down, but the front and the back are not stuck down. So then I go back in and I push down the front, I push down the back, I push it in,
Wow.
and I'm just gonna let this dry for a moment, but look how pretty that is.
That looks great.
So now,
Okay, now
we
it's
both
my
have the nighttime lash, so you guys can see how it looks on different eyes.
I don't have a lot of natural lash. Lily has a lot of
A
natural
lot.
lash.
So it does look a little bit heavier than me, and I have heavier eye makeup, but I love it. I love that it's a wing. I love a wing lash because it gives you that Princess Jasmine almondy eye look. And I also love that she made it 3-dimensional. So her daytime lash isn't 3-dimensional because you know, she doesn't want you.
Daytime. Sometimes in the day, I would get really embarrassed to go to meetings or to lunch in too thick of a lash. So I wanted to create a lash that was still fun and fluttery and made you pretty, but not like you're ready to go to the club. Nighttime lash, we're going to the club.
We're going to the club. We're going after hours after the club, and then we're gonna go have Barry's Pizza.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna put the other eye on.
And today when Ella was doing my makeup, she actually said she usually adds individuals onto lashes, but for mine, since we made it three-dimensional, she doesn't have to add individuals because it's already fluttery.
And that's the best part about three-dimensional lashes, like the Dorothy Nighttimes, it saves you time! Because putting the individuals on would be like another 10, 15 minutes in doing your makeup, because you have to so meticulously put them on, then you have to put the other eye to let it match, and with Dorothy's lash, you just don't need it.
I like to just be a one-stop shop, you know?
So she took them off the tray, guys, while I was talking right now. She's trimming them.
I trimmed the inside corner.
Let's put some glue on that. Okay, while Dorothy is blowing that one, guys, I do like to put just a tiny bit of mascara. I'd like to turn the wand this way and just sort of go like this. This is not to change the lash. What I'm doing here is just merging my natural lashes with the false strip. So try to just put the center in the center of my eye.
Okay.
As low as possible on my lash line. And then we can go back in and put down the front and the back.
Better?
Wow! Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.
Yay!
So this one looks a little different right now because we haven't done the little trick with the mascara.
So as we said earlier, the nighttime lash is a winged lash, so it gets more dramatic. I mean, it goes out at the end, so it's more dramatic. The daytime lash, like I said, I wanted to be a little bit more casual and not so dramatic. So it is a fully rounded lash where it means that the ends aren't longer and it's just kind of longer in the middle.
What was important to her is that every eye shape can use this, whether it's Middle Eastern eyes, Asian eyes, American eyes, African American eyes. She wanted both of her lashes to be super versatile. Some lashes are made just specifically for round eyes or for hooded eyes, and to have a lash that can go to every eye shape, I think is so great that you did that.
That was very important to me. And I tested them on a lot of my friends from different ethnicities, or of different ethnicities, to make sure that it was, these lashes were like universally flawless on everyone. The daytime lash has a thinner band, because sometimes I feel like in the daytime, when the band is very thick, it just looks, obviously makes everything a little bit darker, more dramatic. And so the nighttime lash, we do have a thicker band. On the daytime lash, we kept the band very thin.
So guys, we both are now wearing the Dorothy Nighttime Lash from the Dorothy Day to Night Kit. This is also a reusable box. Now, remember, these lashes are not just one-time use. You can use them up to 30 times, and truthfully, you can use them more if you take good care of them, but we don't like to say that, and then people are like, I only got 28 wearers.
Yeah.
When you're done, just peel it off, put it back in the case. Don't forget to tweet Dorothy when you get her kit and tell her
Instagram
how hot she looks.
Oh, thank you. And we made sure that the kit was really pretty because it's something that you guys can keep. And honestly, I know Lily said like you can throw it in your bag, but I feel like this could be on your counter.
So in honor of Dorothy being so kind and generous, we are doing a YouTube giveaway. 10 lucky winners are going to win Dorothy's kit.
Yay.
To enter, all you have to do is comment below, I love DW.
Perfect, that's cute. Oh yeah, and if you want to follow me on YouTube, I kind of should be doing that too.
Yes.
Follow me on YouTube too.
You will see a link to her YouTube in the description of this video. So all you have to do is like this video, comment below, I love DW, and we are going to pick 10 lucky winners to win Dorothy's kit that just launched today. So proud of you.
Fresh off the press.
More than just billions, guys. There's more to her.
Aww.
She also kind of knows how to apply lashes. So the Dorothy Wang Day to Night collection out now. limited edition. This isn't gonna be here forever and ever and ever. So if you don't get it now, don't complain. If it sells out in 2 days.
Don't DM me.
Yeah, she's not gonna have any.
Don't DM me asking me to pay your rent and get you more lashes.
Okay, so for the first 24 hours after this video is posted, Dorothy will answer any questions below that you direct to her.
We just reply in the comment.
Yes,
Okay.
and you can enter her giveaway as many times as you want. You can leave a comment saying, I love DW. We're gonna just randomly select one, or select 10 for our 10 winners. You can buy her kit right now at lillylashes.com. It's on the homepage banner. Just click the banner. It will go straight to her lash. Until next time, we love you all. Stay simple life, but don't wear flannel. It's way too hot. Bye, guys.
Bye. It's like, are you eating it?